The COMMANDO 40 Dry Ice Blaster is a portable dry ice blasting workhorse requiring only compressed air for operation. Built to tackle tough industrial cleaning applications, it features a 40-pound hopper with the patented BlitzFeed dry ice delivery system. Before blasting, ensure you have the proper safety gear required for operation. This includes insulated gloves, eye protection, and hearing protection. Additional safety gear may include a respirator, CO2 detector, hard hat, and a face shield for applications with a large amount of debris. An operation manual is included in the toolbox on the back of the blaster. Please read this manual prior to operating the machine. The COMMANDO 40 requires fresh and clean dry ice pellets for operation. The pellets should not have any solid clumps that could cause a blockage in the machine. Before connecting your equipment, always inspect all cables and hoses for any damage such as cracks or cuts that could cause the hose to fail. Start by connecting the air supply line from your air compressor to the air inlet on the blaster. Secure the connection tightly with a wrench and then attach the whip check as shown. Also, ensure the air valve is down in the off position prior to pressurizing the machine. Securely attach the blasting hose to the bottom of the machine and tighten firmly with a 1 1/4 inch wrench. Install the blue and red pneumatic signal lines to the corresponding blue and red push-to-lock fittings located next to the blasting hose. Next, connect the blasting gun. Attach your desired blasting nozzle to the gun and securely tighten with a wrench. Firmly connect the blasting hose to the back of the gun as shown. Then connect the blue and red pneumatic signal lines to the corresponding blue and red push-to-lock fittings located on the back of the gun. The finished blasting gun assembly should appear as shown. A variety of nozzles and extensions are available for different blasting applications. Visit newiceblasting.com to see our available options. To operate the blasting gun, push in on the safety and pull back on the trigger to start blasting. When the trigger is released, the safety will automatically re-engage. At this point, safety gear should be worn and ear protection is also required for those anywhere near the work area. Connect and turn on the air supply to the machine. To pressurize the blaster, pull up on the e-stop handle. The air pressure gauge should now show that the machine is pressurized. To immediately turn off the machine, press down on the e-stop to cut off the air supply. Before blasting, first test the function of the airflow in the feed wheel by adjusting the pellet feed dial with one hand and activating the blasting gun with the other. The feed wheel inside the hopper should be spinning as shown. In order to reduce the risk of static electric shock, attach the grounding clamp to any objects for blasting that are not grounded. Additionally, an earth grounding strap is located at the bottom of the machine, and this should be in contact with the floor at all times while blasting. Next, activate the blasting gun for approximately 30 seconds to clear out any moisture that may be in the machine or air lines. Load the hopper with dry ice and close the lid to prevent sublimation and any falling debris. Begin by blasting a small area to ensure the settings on the machine and the chosen nozzle are ideal for your cleaning application. In this example, dry ice blasting is used to quickly clean production equipment for refurbishing. The pellet feed rate and blasting pressure may be adjusted during operation to achieve desired cleaning results. For heavy-duty applications such as paint removal, a more aggressive blasting nozzle may be required, such as the howitzer nozzle shown here. When finished blasting, always purge the machine of any remaining dry ice to prevent moisture buildup in the air lines. Also be sure to turn off the machine when not in use to prevent any accidental activation of the blaster. After every 6 hours of operation, the lubricator located on the left side of the machine should be checked to ensure it has not run out of oil. If the lubricator is low or empty, remove the top cap, refill with pneumatic air motor oil, and reinstall the cap. The moisture filter should also be checked after every 6 hours of operation. To verify it is functioning properly, turn the drain valve and ensure water drains out of the filter. If nothing drains out, there may be contaminants clogging the filter or it may need to be replaced. Used lubricant from the blaster is collected in a reclassifier on the machine. This should be drained after every 20 hours of operation from the lubricant drain located near the blasting hose connection. For additional information and troubleshooting, please refer to the COMMANDO 4D operation manual. This video is not meant to replace the manual, and it should always be reviewed prior to operating the machine.